In this video, we will understand photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is a phenomenon in which light radiation falls on a metal surface, causing the emission of electrons from that metal surface. This phenomenon was discovered by German physicist Heinrich Rudolf Hertz in 1887. Hertz found that whenever ultraviolet light falls onto metal electrodes and a voltage is applied to both electrodes, sparking occurs. In 1902, German physicist Philipp Lenard explained this observation by stating that light falls on the metal surface, liberating charged particles from the metal surface. Before this discovery, light was considered to be a wave, but after the discovery of the photoelectric effect, it was found that light also has particle nature. Due to this, classical physics could not explain this phenomenon. In 1704, Isaac Newton formulated the corpuscular theory, in which he explained that light has both wave and particle nature, and the particles in light are called photons. Using this theory, Albert Einstein conducted experimental studies on the photoelectric effect and explained it, for which he received the Nobel Prize. Now, let's understand these phenomena in detail. In the animation, we see an evacuated glass tube with a photosensitive plate at one end and a metal plate at the other end. A transparent window is placed above the glass tube, which filters the light and allows only a particular wavelength of light to pass through. The metal plate and the photosensitive plate are connected to a voltage source. The metal plate is connected to the positive terminal, and the photosensitive plate is connected to the negative terminal. Desired voltage output can be taken from this voltage source. Monochromatic radiation from a light source falls on the photosensitive plate after being filtered through the transparent window. As soon as the radiation falls on the photosensitive plate, electrons start to emit from the plate. These electrons accelerate towards the metal plate and start flowing in the outer circuit. This flow of electrons creates a circuit current, which we call the photoelectric current, and can be measured using a microammeter. In this experimental study, it was found that the photoelectric current varies depending on certain factors, and these factors are: effect of intensity of the incident radiation, effect of potential on the metal plate, effect of the frequency of radiation. Let's now understand how these factors affect the photoelectric effect. Effect of intensity of the incident radiation. It was found in this experiment that the photoelectric current is directly proportional to the intensity of radiation. This means that the higher the intensity of radiation, the higher the generated photoelectric current. Effect of potential on the metal plate. It was found in this experiment that the photoelectric current increases gradually with the potential or voltage. However, after reaching a certain value, increasing the voltage does not cause any further increase in the photoelectric current. This is called saturation current. If we reverse the voltage direction, we observe that the photoelectric current starts to decrease. Moreover, if we keep increasing the reverse voltage continuously, the photoelectric current reaches a point where it becomes zero. This negative voltage is known as the stopping potential. Effect of the frequency of radiation. It was found in this experiment that when the same intensity of radiation is applied at different frequencies, the photoelectric current and the value of the stopping potential also vary. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.